Hi, my name is Carrie Storms and I'm the middle school principal at Metro Christian Academy. I would say a goal behind some of these beautification projects is to continue with the improvements that we've experienced already in our facility and be able to sort of share the wealth in the rest of the parts of our building. I know a few years ago we got to see the amazing transformation of our library into our learning commons as we know it today. It is a well-used, well-loved space. It is beautiful and inspiring space to be in. I would love for us to be able to push that improvement on out into the main hub of our school, which is our main staircase and our upstairs carpeting area. The carpet in that area was installed back in 2016. It has held up remarkably well considering the amount of foot traffic that we have in the space, but we could definitely use a facelift in that area. So outside of the MAC, my friends, my people, the middle school students will gather to be picked up at the end of the day. And let me just say, especially on a rainy day or on a really windy day, the area becomes muddy, it becomes dusty. It just becomes an unpleasant place for our students to be able to wait to be picked up. Even in the afternoons when parents arrive to be able to wait on their kids, it's just not as hospitable to our community as we would like it to be. So an amazing value add improvement would be to continue to install some of our artificial turf into that area outside the MAC, kind of on the corner there, to where our students are waiting to be picked up and to see our families come and get them at the end of the day. The opportunity to be able to invest in these facelift items, a lot of these little things, is essentially allowing us to keep the main thing, and really highlight what we love most about our school, which is our people and our community, and the amazing programming and services that we offer.